Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can learn where to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Alright, okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, Joshua the Great Ruler. Let's go! Okay, Lord Lodi. Jose Marie Kalaykay, hello. El Negro. Yo, what's up? John Ventura, hello, hello, hello. Arnold Christopher Valdez de la Cruz. Hello, hello. Kishan Reyes, Jade Carpo. Good evening, sir. Good evening to you as well. Ben Amiro, hello. Myla. And Myro Jr. Yo, what's up? What's up, what's up? Player, hello. Okay, okay. So, while we are waiting for your suggested coin, make sure you suggest your coin, okay? While we are waiting, we're gonna check some news. We're gonna check some news for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin spike alongside stronger stocks. Time for crypto to finally play catch up. Yeah, it needs to catch up now. So important message. Bitcoin Ethereum rallied sharply at present time. On Monday evening as the global cryptocurrency market cap spiked 7.5% to 1.3 trillion. Wow. Okay, okay. Ethereum pump also 10%, Doge 6.5%, Wave 75%, Axie 47%, and Helium, wow, 27%. It's back, boys, it's back. Why it matters, the Apex coin traded over 31,000, while Ethereum, the second largest coin by market cap, traded just below the psychologically important 2,000 level at present time. During intraday trading, BTC and Ethereum touched 31,949.63 and 2005 respectively. Oh, hello Joshua RFL, let's go. Okay, the gains seen in stocks last week appear to be permitting to cryptocurrency at press time. The S&P and Nasdaq futures traded 0.1% and 0.4% higher respectively. This asset like stocks could get a boost this week as China begins reopening the country due to a drop in COVID-19 cases. Okay, that's bullish now. Okay, we will check Sol, okay? Thank you for suggesting it. You can beat me. Yo, what's up? Both Beijing and Shanghai are easing restriction, reported Voice of America. Cryptocurrency trader Justin Bennett noted that Bitcoin and the S&P 500 have been positively correlated for some time now. He tweeted that while the S&P had an impressive rally last week, Bitcoin was still slipping. Looks like Bitcoin is about to play catch up. This would put it in the mid 30,000 range at current S&P level. Okay. So what he's talking about is this one. Let me show you a chart. Where's the S&P? Here's the S&P. Okay. So the candle is catching up. It's going up also. Okay. This is the Bitcoin and this candle are the S&P 500. Okay. And it is following and it is doing as it is. Okay, as you can see, the Bitcoin follows to the penny, right? When it moves up, the Bitcoin moves up. When it moves down, the Bitcoin moves down. When it goes a retracement, it goes a retracement, it goes up. So yeah, it's following. It's like a path for Bitcoin. What's next step? Okay, it's like S&P is paving the path for Bitcoin. Where you been moving next? Okay, so in daily time frame, we are printing a red volume. Looking forward, we can flip it into a green volume. Okay, Joshua the Great Ruler. Okay, we'll check AXS also. Okay, after Sol. So we'll just quickly finish our news. So yeah, even the trader Justin Bennett are just using the same thing that we are using, huh? Okay. The crypto greed and fear by alternative old hands have reduced their Bitcoin spending behavior, said chartist Ali Martinez, citing an on-chain metric known as entity adjusted dormancy flow. The entity adjustment dormancy flow is a variance of dormancy, which is a marker of a coin lifespan. Analysts use this measure to call out market bottoms and explore long-term market trends. A dormancy value of 250k or lower suggests Bitcoin is in good historical buy zone, tweeted the chartist. Martinez said that the Bitcoin dormancy value is hovering below 250 for the past 6 months, and this is a buy the dip hint. Okay, buy the dip hint. Okay. Meanwhile, Bitcoin on-chain activity, which plateaued in September, has yet to pick up pace. Glassnode said in recent note that hodler class are the only ones that remain. The on-chain analysis firm noted that after the Terra meltdown, entities holding less than 100 BTC soak up Bitcoin volume sold in distress by the Luna Foundation Guard. Luna sell-off is right here. Bitcoin supply held by entities with courtesy Glassnode alongside the majority of long-term holders. An increasingly large volume of BTC appeared, huddled and acquired at these lower prices. This trend, unless disrupted, can be expected to propel long-term holder supply above its all-time high over the coming months, said Glassnode. Okay. So in other words, they are already huddling again, okay, accumulating again. In accumulation phase, pati CAW, sir. Okay, we will check CAW. Terra now represents the 2.0 version of the token and is up 60.6% at 9.32, while Terra Classic traded 16.5, higher at 0.000123 at present time. Okay. So yeah. 80,000 Bitcoin dumped by Terra's LFG quickly scooped up by hungry entities. Because they dumped their 80,000 Bitcoin, so it got scooped up. The Luna Foundation Guard sold almost its entire Bitcoin reserve in a failed attempt to stop the collapse of its native token Luna and algorithmic stable UST. Interestingly, all the over 80,000 Bitcoin disposed of were swiftly grabbed by entities who previously owned less than 100 BTC. Oh, that's a huge buy from an entity that only have less than 100 and then gets 80,000 Bitcoin. That's huge. I think this one is waiting for this 80,000 to be sold on sale. According to a report on chain data provider Glassnode, in one of the most calamitous event in cryptocurrency memory, the Terra ecosystem collapsed in a dramatic fashion earlier this month when the flagship stablecoin Terra USD, which is supposed to be pegged 1:1, the Luna Foundation, in the last-ditch effort to defense. Okay, unfortunately, the measure weren't enough to stabilize the network. The new blockchain launch is a bold move for Terra Labs CEO Do Kwon. Entity supply grows by 80,724. As Terra sold off 80,081 BTC wallet with a Bitcoin balance of less than 100, took the opportunity to stock up. Wow. Okay, so he got the funds to buy this 80,000. Since the UST, this shows a transfer from LFG to 100 BTC holder, the analytic firm concluded. During the Luna triggered sell-off in early May, a total of 80,000 were liquidated by Luna Foundation Guard. Interestingly, The volume of supply held by entities 100 less than 100 BTC has since increased by. So I don't know if it's bought or it's just one of the owners transferring it to one of the owner, right? Yeah, because it's transferred from this wallet to this wallet. This shows a transfer from LFG to less than. So because you ask yourself, how can 100 Bitcoin holder able to buy 80,000 Bitcoin? So most probably is just transferring wallet, okay? From left pocket, transferring it to right pocket. Okay? Okay, okay. Eseris. Hello, Eseris. Good evening, sir. From Zoom to live. Nice. Sir, sa FB na po ba ang live giveaway kada Sunday? We don't know yet. We don't know. But most probably because we are trying to make our Facebook also boost. Okay? So, yeah. You can just always wait for our live. Okay? So, most probably. Most probably. So, what do you think about what I think here? Do you think that this 100 less than 100 BTC holder able to buy this 80,000 BTC? Or you agree with me that this is just from a left pocket transferring it to a right pocket? Okay. Well, comment below if you agree with what I think or you think it's really sold to someone. Hello po, sir. Good evening. Good evening to you as well. Esir. Esiris. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has reclaimed the 30,000 level because it did not dump. The price did not dump with this sell. If it's really sold, it did not dump the BTC. In fact, it just pumped. It's just like it's just transferring. Okay, it's not being sold. It's just transferred to someone. Okay, it's not transferred to exchange. It's transferred to a new wallet. Okay, so from left to right. How about you? What do you think? Do I make sense? Okay. Russian goes bullish on Bitcoin as it mules using crypto for international transaction. Okay, so this is the very reason for our crypto. You become anonymous. Okay, so no sanction can stop you. No sanction can stop you. You can still do international transaction using Bitcoin. Okay, so that's anonymity. That means there can no be you cannot force yourself anymore to be a superpower because you cannot control the finance because you cannot control the finance anymore because it's anonymous already. Maybe that's one of the reason why the Russia is bold enough to to do the do the thing that they want to do. Russia's Ministry of Finance is considering the possibility of using cryptocurrency like Bitcoin in conducting international payment according to a Friday report by Interfax. The said discussions are currently being held in an effort to revitalize Russia's businesses with international partners, given that its ability to use traditional payment infrastructure is currently limited. Okay, Dominic, Udo, yo, what's up? Rona De Latina, good to see you again. Said Ivan Chebeskov, Director of the Finance Policy Department of the Ministry of Finance. During the United States discussion platform, if the digital currency is recognized as property in principle within the framework of barter transaction with such digital currency, it will be possible to carry out operation on foreign economic activities. Okay, good evening to you as well, with a heart also. Okay, following the invasion of Ukraine earlier this year, marking a steep escalation of the Russo-Ukrainian War. Russo-Ukrainian War, not yet done, right? Is it over already? Not yet, right? Okay. We are getting use of war right now. Following the invasion of Ukraine earlier this year, freezes the US, EU, and other allies leveled a list of financial sanctions, including cutting off major Russian banks from SWIFT and phasing out imports from Russia. All of these were being aimed at crippling the Kremlin in a bid to have Putin stop the invasion. Nice to see you too. Yes, yes, yes. Ramil, hello, hello, hello. In response to this measure, Russia has been gradually expressing interest in using cryptocurrency to conduct international transactions despite its antagonist fronting measure that seeks to curtail their use by the country. This topic is being discussed and it seems to me deserves attention given that we have limited possibility for settlements in the classical traditional payment infrastructure, the official said. Okay, so now they are becoming more bullish. Hello, ATTY. Hello, Robbie Ren de la Peña. Yo, what's up? Good to see all of you here. Okay. So, local currency and gas exports from friendly country. On the other hand, they just call it unfriendly countries. Would only be allowed to purchase energy export in the ruble. Okay, so the unfriendly will need to buy it in ruble. The friendly, they can buy it in Bitcoin. At the time, Mr. Zalvani, who heads, if everybody buys gas, energy, if they all buy in Bitcoin, so Bitcoin now is back with Russian gas, I really think Bitcoin will pump the price. Because whatever is hedged, whatever is paired with the oil, usually pumps. Okay, so that can really pump the price of Bitcoin once it is used. Can you imagine a world being using Bitcoin to buy oil? The most important commodity. Okay, the most important energy globally. Joshua the Great Ruler, yo, what's up? How to be like you, sir. Yeah, just spend time in the market. Alright, spend time your first 10,000 hours with us and we will make you a professional day trader. Profitable day trader, okay? Alright. So, Mr. Zalvani, who heads the country state Duma, had said that... Do we have a background music? Okay, we have. I thought I don't have background music, can't hear it. Alright. So yes, yes, yes. So hopefully Russia will do this one and then Saudi will do the next one. Wow. If everybody will be buying oil using Bitcoin, I can see Bitcoin can really reach up to millions. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just wow. And that will be the most unpredictable thing that will happen. While using because it's proof of work. And if it's proof of work, it's globally, it's you cannot shut down the internet globally. So if you cannot shut down the internet globally, that means Bitcoin will still continue. Okay? Countries cannot swallow their pride will by using ruble. Yeah, yeah, will have hard time. Yeah, because they are hard-headed. They are unfriendly country towards Russia. So yeah, they're gonna be buying it with ruble, which pumps the price, the ruble, the ruble price. Okay, while using cryptocurrency for international settlement may benefit Russia, given that most of them are considered high growth asset. Experts have warned that there are risks. For one, Bitcoin is highly volatile and could pose challenge in the trade of natural gas. Traditional currency like the euro and US dollar are still very much stable. If the Russia will accept Bitcoin, that would mean Russia will be accumulating, wow, will be accumulating Bitcoin. Can you imagine Russia accumulating Bitcoin? And we only have how much? 21 million? And if Russia gets it all, now gonna really pump the price even higher. China, one of the closest allies to Russia, has had its own models with cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, which clearly limits its acceptance of Bitcoin for payment. Other Current countries may also shoot down Russia's proposal to use cryptocurrency for fear of reprisal by the international community. Reprisal. Okay. Alright, so that's our news for today. How many got liquidated for our? We have 275 million who got wrecked, okay, 24 hours ago. So are you one of the liquidated? Okay. 20 USDT, Benten lang i-entry na name sa Raffle coach. Thank you, haha. Baka swerte si Benten. Alright, Rafi Abot. Yo, what's up? So in the past 24 hours, 88 million got liquidated. Okay, 30 million in Luna. Mostly are 70% are short position, okay? 195 million are short position. Got liquidated. Okay. So our entries yesterday and this morning were all bullish, okay? I didn't give you any bear signal. And as you can see, number 16. Extreme fear. Still extreme fear, but it's much better than number 10. So that means we are going up soon. Are you ready? Are you ready for our pump? Pump, param, pump, pump. Okay, here. You can see here we are going up. As you can notice in the 1 year time frame, extreme fear, extreme greed, extreme fear, extreme greed, extreme fear, neutral, extreme fear, neutral, extreme fear, neutral, extreme fear, neutral, extreme fear. Now we are going up to fear. Looking forward, we reach the fear and then we go to extreme greed. Okay? Okay? Okay. Yo, Arnold, yo, what's up? Okay. So, going back. So, this is our dollar, the XY. And as you can see, dollar is currently going up. Okay, so we might see some correction for now for Bitcoin. And it's just a drop-based drop, okay? So, we're gonna get rejection here in 102.076. So, there is probability that we're gonna get a rejection here. And then we're gonna continue our drop-based drop, okay? So, drop, base, drop, and then retest of the zone, and then drops again. Okay? There's a possibility that we can have a play like that one, okay? Look at here. In our drop-based drop. Here. So, we have this. Drop, and then base, then drop, and then we have a low volume test. Okay, these two low volume here, and then goes up, touches the supply zone. Okay, after touching it, will drop again. Okay, we are seeing that right now. Here, we are going to touch the supply zone and we're gonna drop again. Okay. 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 So I think that's it for our news for Bitcoin. Let's now start checking. Let's now start checking our coin right here. Okay, let me check your suggested coin. What's your suggested coin? Okay, Sol. We're gonna check Sol now. So Sol is right here. We got rejected in the thinnest part of the cloud, huh? We tried to break out. We tried to break out in the thinnest part of the cloud, but still we got rejected. So we have hard time breaking the cloud. As indeed in Ichimoku, we might have a retest again here. We might find support here in 45.74. And then right here before we continue to go up. We need more strength. Or we wait for Bitcoin to pump. Okay? We wait for Bitcoin to pump. There is no other way. We got also rejected in 382. 382, also in 382 here. So we got this strong rejection area, okay? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, we'll check also BNB. Okay, so for here, okay, okay, we'll just have a quick break, okay? Be right back. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So going back to our stall. So we got rejected here in our 4-hour time frame. In daily time frame, what we have here in Sol is, okay, this is our first red candle. We have a 3 white soldiers. Okay, so we got rejection here. This is a valid rejection area. So we might have some rollover here, pump, and then just a rollover, and then continue again to go up. Okay, that's a possibility right there because we cannot expect a Bitcoin to a Sol to continue to go up. Okay, of course there is always retracement. Okay, okay. So in 4-hour time frame, let's try to pull out some Fibonacci line from this trend. Let's pull this out. Let's delete this one. Okay, Fibonacci from swing low, swing high. So with this in mind, look at this one here. We have put the 236 exactly at our bouncing area. So this can be a good support, or if it breaks, the next support is waiting right here in 382. Okay? So we can have entry here, 236, or we can have in 382. Okay? So that is our toll. Okay. So in our Fibonacci retracement, most usually our retracement is up to 0.5. So in 4-hour time frame, we might find it support up to here. Okay, there is possibility that we're gonna max this out. Okay, let me show you Fibonacci here. So this is the 0.5 normal trend. So the retracement can reach up to here. You can always enter in 382, and you can also have it in 6818. But if you just not to miss, okay, just not to miss the money train. If you are putting your entry too low and then we bounce right here, so at least you have an entry here or you have an entry here. Okay, just do the dollar cost average. Okay, you divide your entries by 3 and you enter here, you enter here, you enter here. Okay, at least you have entry. Hello, Joms. Katay Tay, yo, what's up? Arnold, hello, hello. Okay, so after the sol, then we'll check AXS. Okay, we'll check AXS. Oh, it's already 8:31. Time check. So before we continue, let's check first our community. Okay, promote our community first. Let's promote our community first. Okay, so this is our community. If you are not yet a member of our community, make sure you scan this QR code and you will be redirected to our community. Okay, so if you can scan it, you can click this Trade Scholar community. Okay, so you can click it and you will be redirected to our Telegram community. So this is our Telegram community. Okay, so this is our Telegram community. Everybody making money here. Okay, so profit is profit, making money, printing. So this is our TG. Okay, has 2,295 members now. Okay, and we have some price forecast here. Weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and then 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame, this is where we drop our signal. Okay, this is where we drop our signal in 4-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, you get a specific signal. Okay, so once you want to join our practical group, you message Trade Scholar Rio and Trade Scholar Chris. Okay, we'll just message this one, and then you will be invited here in Practical Trade Scholar. Okay, so yes, TP1 hit, money. Okay. So this is our practical group. Okay, you take some screenshot with our lesson. That's good. Okay. Party. Dump it. Susunduin yata ako. So this is Bogdanov, okay? This is the one that I'm mentioning in our our intro. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, or else Bogdanov will dump on you. You don't want to be dumped by Bogdanov, right? Yeah, so make sure you're a friend with Bogdanov. Tap. So we drop our signal here. So this is our signal: entry, take profit, leverage, margin use, stop loss. Yeah, you just follow and you make money. Okay? Even if you don't have. Wag na USDT, sir. Yung free training na lang, sapat na. Yes. As long as you join our Telegram, this is a free training. Okay? This is a free training for you. Okay? So, yeah, everybody making money. Alright. And then, this is our exclusive community. We have an exclusive community here. Okay, here. Okay, money printing group also. Everybody just printing. Yes, sir. Okay. So this is our community right here. So how to be able to join this community? Basically, once you click the link, you get to join our Trade Scholar community, which is for free. Daily BTC forecast, then you see also our live technical analysis. For practical, you want to join our practical, of course you will be trading. Of course, you need a capital to trade. Okay, so you will not pay us, but you just transfer some funds. Okay, if you are just gonna exchange. Okay, so if you are trading in Binance, then you transfer your funds from Binance and you start trading here. Okay, this is no KYC needed. Okay, so purely anonymous. Okay, and no need for VPN and whatever. Okay, so you can trade here also. Practical. Okay, ULIAN. You have 100 to 500, then you can get 2 daily signals, and you're gonna join our Zoom class. Okay, every Tuesday and Thursday, every 6 a.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Okay. All right. Okay, and then exclusive greater than 500, then you get to join with 2 daily signal and even more signal. Okay, exclusive signal. So not just Bitcoin signal in the afternoon and in the evening. Also, you can see other signals also. Okay, and you can have a chance to learn advanced courses. Okay, all right. And the most important thing here is the one-on-one review meeting. So if you want to learn more mentoring one-on-one, this is where you can learn. All right. Okay. So basically that's our community. So if you want to join our community, make sure you join us, okay? And you just message our admin to do so, okay? All right, all right. Okay, now let's check the suggested coin AXS. Okay, Axie got a pump today. The massive pump for Axie Infinity. Look at our Axie. Look at where I told you that you should place your take profit area. In between the 200 moving average and the 233E exponential moving average. And where did we stop? Exactly where it is placed. Okay, so that's how accurate the indicators we are using. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this indicator, make sure you join us in our Telegram. Okay, we teach this indicator. Okay, especially it paired with 4-hour time frame, it really respects that area. Okay, so what do you think will happen to AXS for now? Let's check the daily time frame. We have a breakout here. Okay, we have a fake out here. You usually see this one. Okay, this rollover, this cap right here before it goes up. Okay, just to liquidate the short position. The long position goes down because this is symmetrical triangle. Okay, it can go up or it can go down. Symmetrical triangle is neutral candle. So you neutral pattern. So it can either break to the upside here, symmetrical triangle. It can either break out to the upside or break out to the downside. Okay. So that's what we are looking at right now in the chart. Symmetrical. So it fake out in the downside and then went to the upside. We are not overbought yet. Okay. So there is more to the upside. If this is a breakout, then this is a good trade right here. Okay. So we are just waiting for the US market to open and then it will continue to go up. Okay. So you know the US market is not yet open, so there is not much volume right now. Okay, once the US market opens, you can see the volume kicks in and you can see the pump of the price. Okay. All right. Okay. So from here, how are you going to trade this one? Let's try to pull out this trend-based fib extension. Swing low, swing high, then bottom. So right here, oh, exactly at 786, we can find a support in 786. If you want to long it, to long it. To long it. 786, 618, another support waiting, and then 0.5. Okay, so that's in trend base. Let's try also our fib. This is daily time frame. Okay, oh, exactly, our 382 is the same place at 3786. So this is also a good entry. 382, so that's a strong trend. If we bounce from 382, that's a strong trend. Okay, if we look at it in 4-hour time frame, it looks like this one. Okay, so most probably we can bounce from here because this is the previous supply zone. Okay, this is the previous supply zone. This is where we used to get rejection. Now we're gonna make it as a support. So right now, what is AXS is trying to do is to have a rollover pump, and then rollover, and then continue the pump again, rally again. Okay. So if we can flip, okay, if we can flip the 28, that's good thing. Okay, we can break the resistance in 4-hour time frame. If we can find support in 382, that's a good thing because we can make the 200 moving average our support. Okay, so we need to flip this area here so we can continue to go up. If we don't flip it, then we're gonna have problem again. But if we flip it, then we are forming a cup and handle. Okay, so the cup is fairly huge. It's a huge cup right here. Let me show you the cup. The cup is right here. Okay, that would be the cup, and this would be the handle. Okay, so this can be our handle right here. And the price target would be from bottom to top. Then you place it here. So AXS still has a potential to reach this price target right here. Okay, 38. It's possible. It's not even close to 2618. Okay, so it's possible still. Okay. Of course, you don't take profit at exact price. Okay, you take profit if it is a fixed. If it's a fixed target price, you don't take profit in the fixed target price. You take profit 3 to 5% below. So if this is the 5%, so you take profit here 36.03. Okay. Okay. And of course, you're gonna experience some resistance area. 1.618 is also a good resistance area, you can see here. Okay. All right. So this is AXS for you. We are just having some retracement because we got oversold in MFI. Okay. Our awesome oscillator is bullish. We got a strong green volume candle which signals the presence of the bulls. Hey, we are here. It's like that. The bulls is saying in that. Okay. So that's their presence right there. All right. Okay. So what's next for AXS, CAW. Let's check CAW now. Okay, so it's still in Hubi, Uniswap, and Polynit. It's the one right here. Okay. So right here, oh, we TA it also before. Okay, this one, it retraces only in 0.382. We TA it from top to bottom. Our retracement is in 382 and then start dropping again. Okay, did it hit its price target? Let's check if it hit price target. 1.618. Okay, it hit its 1.618 price target. It hit its 1.618 and then started recovering from there. Just hitting the 1.618 and then go up again. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's remove it now. So where are we situated right now? We are above 200 move. We are above the Ichi cloud. Let's check it in daily time frame. CAW. What's next to CAW? BNB. Okay, we will check BNB next. Luna. Okay, Luna C. Okay, we'll check also Luna. Okay. So right here, this is double bottom. Okay, you know double bottom in play, right? Double bottom breakout candle. So you're gonna trade the next candle. So you still have for 3 hours. So double bottom price target will be from bottom to top. Price target would be okay. It disappeared. Okay, this is our price target for our double bottom. You don't take profit at exact price. You take profit 5%. 5% below. This is your profit taking area. Especially this resistance right here. The next resistance that you watch is this resistance. You can get rejection there. The next resistance is this one. Okay? That's a potential resistance area in daily time frame. Okay, in 4-hour time frame, we are having a plain pump right here. So if we gonna fill this candle here and then stop dropping, then you can expect a rollover here because we have printed long so many green candles already. Okay, not there is no red candle yet, so we might have this, and then continue again to the upside. Okay, that's the possible scenario we are looking at right now. We're gonna find support here in 6 here in the yellow line. Okay. Okay, let's pull out now something so we can. Okay, here. Let's pull out the trend-based fib extension from swing low to swing high and then bottom. Bottom is right here. Okay. The bottom is right here. And here. Look at this one. Our one is exactly here. Finding support here. So if we cannot break this one, you can open short position here. This is a good short position here. And then you take profit in 786. Okay, you can take profit in 786. Hey Bixby, I'm not talking to you Bixby. Not now Bixby. Okay, so basically we might have some retracement here. Let's pull out the Fibonacci from swing low, swing high. Okay. So swing low, swing high. Support is waiting here, 236. If we don't break the 1, then we're gonna drop here. Okay, that can be your long position entries. Okay? Okay, you can long here, you can long here, and you can long here. Okay? You can short here. There one. Okay, seems like we are having hard time breaking this area. Okay. Hello everyone. So next is Luna C. Okay, Luna. You mean LUNC, right? Okay. I think this is what you mean. Okay, this is the new, right? This is the new one. This is the new one. The new Luna Classic. Okay, Ronjin. Oh, not much in 1 hour time frame. So we are having some channel down right here. Okay, not much. Okay. There is a sign of change of trend from here because as you can see, we are not making lower low. Okay. So, low, low, primary low, lower low, lower low. Now we make higher low. So there is a change of trend already here. Okay, so there is a possibility once this break, you can trade it to the upside, the breakout. Okay. Okay. If we pull out this trend base, swing low, swing high, then bottom. So yes, you can wait for it and then we can trade it to the upside from here. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is LUNC for you. Okay, not much to TA because it's fairly new. So now let's check BTC now. And then we're gonna go to our raffle. BTC. Okay, in 1 hour time frame, we are trying to hold the 236. Okay, we have been bouncing in 236. So we might be having a bear bull flag here. Okay. If we hold this, if we hold this enough, then we can have a bull flag from here. Okay, looking forward if we hold this, the trend. Trending triangle. Price target. Take this. That would our time. That would first we need to take this. Then moving average. Daily time frame. What? Time. Have is be the last time downside because once the US market kicks in, their money enters the market, it's gonna fly again, a pump again. Okay, we are holding. Take note, we are flipping game. We are in a flipping game. We have flipped this supply zone right here, and we have turned it into a demand zone. We are holding it. We are holding it, and if we hold it enough, then we can flip supply into a demand. Okay, looks like this one. So from supply zone, okay, we broke it and now we are touching the supply zone that is turned into a demand zone. This has been flipped. Okay, now it's going up again. So we are from going down, now we are going up. The picture of our market right. Supply zone, supply become a demand zone. Right now we are here, we're trying to flip, go up again. So our momentum right now is bullish. We don't have big volume yet. We need to see this huge volume. We can confirm that we are really in the flipping game, okay? Look at our volume. Not yet. Hard to see volume like this. The upside. You know there is presence of. Alright. I'll be giving the specific signal in our practical group. Telegram community are potentials. Right. our 4-hour time frame is not anymore oversold, okay? Overbought. Okay, so that means it's already in the standard area where you can buy more. So just having some retracement, waiting for the US market to open to pump the price again. Yes, we call that a bangers. Okay, okay, okay. So now let's check some. Of course, before that pumps, there can be a long wick, okay? And you need to really be fast also because if we see a huge red volume, that would also mean that we're gonna have a flip zone. Okay, flip zone would look like this one. Okay, here, flip zone. We have a demand and then we reach top and then we flip. Okay, so yeah, you need to really be watchful also with the volume. Okay, so if you see a huge red volume, that means the sellers are winning back. And we might just cover again all this drop right here and enters the trading range again. Okay, we might enter the trading range again inside, so that's a possibility also to consider. Okay, okay, okay. So that's it. We'll just check our practical group for our specific signal. Okay. If you are still here, you can comment present. Okay, if you are still around. Josh, the Sean Reyes, Dave. Jan Ventura already here. Esir, if you want to join a raffle, just comment this. Okay, 20 USDT. Good to see you, Lucifer's Gaming. Okay, I miss you here in your comments. So if you are just watching silently, yeah, good to see you here in the chat box. Rafi Abot. So Benten is requesting Benten from Giancarlo Palma. Doms ay Ronjin Hernandez. Jobs Tambohon. Our raffle is every Sunday, okay? So make sure you are present during our raffle. Because sometimes when we do a raffle, so many are absent. So they miss the opportunity. They are cold. They are lucky, but they are not present. So Arnold said they are cutting. Cutting like in high school, ah. If you are going to join our community, you will be also invited to join also our exchange, okay, Jom? So you just join our community, so you can. Ah, I see. Zero the Lone Rider and Lucifers. That's why I haven't seen your comment. So you are one, huh? You don't want me to get confused. Okay. So I'll just write also the Zero the Lone Rider. So jobs or joms. So yeah. Join our Telegram so you're gonna see our specific signal. It's hard to follow my signal in alone or isolated. You can join our Telegram so you can really have fun also with our community. And we have fellow people following our signal also, okay? Alright. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining us. All the best, okay? Stay safe, trade safer. See you in our practical group for a specific signal, okay? All the best. Cheers, let's make some money. Bye-bye. Love you all.